Yo, what's up, guys? And welcome to Forex Success. You can see the spike catching strategy, guys. Very, very active. Very, very active. Yeah, I didn't enter this trade, but I was about to enter, but then it just spiked. You can see, guys. Look, what are the conditions? The red moving average should cross above the green line. You can see the red moving average cross above the green line at the overbought level, then it spikes. You see that, guys? A very perfect entry. It crossed at this point, and then look, spike. Very, very perfect entry, guys. You can see this. This is crash 500. Look at what I was just checking out, guys. I just clicked on my 1 hour time frame and I watched the market. I saw that the market has been trying to break through this resistance level. You can see it's getting weak highs. You can see, yeah. So I was expecting it also for this current candle. You see that, guys? I was expecting it also. Then I check out the 30-minute time frame, and I also saw same thing here. Then what made me so sure was the 5 and the 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute time frame I checked, and so as soon as I checked the 15-minute time frame, I saw that it was trying to go up. You can see, and then this is a resistance level, and I knew it was going to make a pullback at this point or at this point for the 15-minute time frame. Then down to the 5-minute time frame, guys, look at the current situation of the market, and look at the support, the resistance level at this point also. So what I'm trying to make you understand is that watch out for nearest resistance or support level to catch your spike on the bounce back of the market. I hope you understand this, guys. 5-minute time frame gave me the clear signal. Then I went down to my 1-minute time frame, seeing that my red moving average just crossed above, then before a spike. So, guys, we got a black bar here. We are expecting another spike at this point. So, but before then, let me quickly show you how to set these indicators. So you know, the zoom level I'm using is the third zoom level. How do you set your third zoom level? Zoom out your screen to the lowest level, then zoom in once. Let me show you. Okay, you zoom in once, and another one, and another one. You can see this is the third zoom level. So, guys, this is it. We're expecting another spike for sure. So let me show you how you can set the indicators. 5 indicators are involved in this strategy. The first, which is on the main chart, this red moving average. You can ignore it, but I just prefer using it. Okay, so these are the indicators I'm using. Just take a screenshot, guys. Take a screenshot, or better watch. Scroll down the channel and watch how to trade crash and boom. Or okay, I'll leave the link to the video on the description, so you can see the script video on how you can watch and set your indicators. But just take a screenshot, guys, on the indicators I'm using, which is moving average, period 21, shift 0 method, exponential, apply to close the style 4 pixel, use the color of your choice. You click done. You can see, guys, you see this? I told you we are expecting another spike. Look at the black bar. We are expecting another spike, and look, after 4 candles, another spike. Guys, this is a very powerful strategy for crash and boom. Look, we got another spike. Yeah, so the next indicator is the average directional movement, which is period 50. The star 2 pixel, use the color of your screen for the 2 pixel, the star. Then the positive DI, use the color green or any of your choice. Negative DI 2 pixel, you click on done. Guys, a very powerful strategy. Use it well. Guys, I'm telling you, you'll make money with this strategy. So the commodity China index, the period is 14, apply to typical price. the star 2 pixel, then use any color, click done. The next indicator, moving average, which is period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. The star is 4 pixel, use color red. Then the last indicator, market facilitation index, which you use the volume tick, tick, not real. The line width 4 pixel, and the color MFI up, color up green, the next black, the next black, the next green. As you can see on my screen, just take a screenshot, guys. You click done. You see this trading, guys. This is not what you need to get. You must have, it's not compulsory you have a system. With your phone you can make money trading. Very simple. All you have to do is wait for concrete signals, then you can enter. If you are someone that knows about price action, that understand chart patterns, that understand them candlestick patterns and chart patterns, guys, you should know that this market is still going to sell, probably to this point. If you understand it, exactly what I mean. So guys, and from the 1 minute time frame, this spike, black indicates another spike. So we should be expecting another spike, probably at this resistance support level, or even higher to this point. But we should expect another spike, black candle. Seeing it from the 5 minute time frame and the 15 minute time frame, you should know that this market is still going to sell down to this point. So guys, I just gave you some key to watch out for, some key to use to make profit using this crash and boom strategy. It's used to catch spike only. You don't use it to trade against the spike. I told you what to watch out for. You can go to your 1 hour time frame, watch out for the nearest support or resistance level, and then when you check out for all time frames and you see that support or resistance level, then you go to your 1 minute time frame and it's telling you and the conditions are met, then you can place your trade. Very, very perfect. Look, 1 hour, if you had come here, this is a resistance level and the trade came to this point, you can place your entry as soon as you saw it getting to this level, and then you know that, and then you confirm for other time frames, and even your 1 minute time frame is giving you a sell signal. You can enter and place your stop loss above you place your stop loss above any other resistance level. You just place your stop loss above that point whereby you entered, and then look, you would have caught spike on these, guys. So if you like, you can, if you get more signal to that another spike is going to happen, you can leave it to catch more spike, or you take your profit. Again, with this point, this is another resistance level. As it gets here, you know that it will usually make a pullback. So what we are catching now is that pullback. You make profit. Look, this is a resistance level at this point and another at this point. The market came here trying to break through. It made a pullback before it continued. So this pullback is your spike. This pullback is your spike for crash. You can see this pullback is your spike. This pullback is your spike. You are catching it in hand with your strategy, guys. You are catching the spikes. You get this. Very, very accurate strategy. Very accurate strategy. This is a support a resistance level. It tried to break through its spikes. You can see the spike, the pullback before it continued is your spike. The pullback before it breaks through this resistance level is your spike. Powerful strategy, guys. This strategy, people will take money from you before they will give you this strategy. I'm telling you, people will take money from you before they will share this strategy with you, guys. And you know one thing about deriv, they do manipulate the market, of which we all know. So when they notice a strategy that's really working, that's paying, they get to adjust their systems, whereby the strategies will become a weaker. They adjust their systems. All those maintenance they are doing, they adjust their systems, whereby the strategy will become weaker. That's why you start using a strategy. For the first 2 weeks or 3 weeks, it's working perfectly, but thereafter it works sometimes, it doesn't work sometimes. That is it. So that's why these guys keeps this strategy to themselves and make it on their own with it. So that's it, guys. So guys, all you can do in this channel is to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on the notification bell, and make money for yourself. I remain Forex Success. The link to our Telegram channel is at the description. You can join us there. We're a happy family there. And make sure to open a deriv account on the link at the description and on the comment section. Click on the link and open a deriv account and start making money, guys. That's it, and good luck.